know what he said?
Ella the elephant is fast asleep. Look at her big ears. Would you like to
The
wake her
sand
up?
is killing
Lay
me.
her gently so you don't give her a fright. You can try patting her or giving her a gentle shake by moving your screen from side to side or talking to her. What are you going to try first? No, still sleepy. Why don't you try to wake her up another way? Hey, she's gone right back to sleep again. Better try something else. Look, you managed to wake Ella the elephant. Ella's not looking her best, is she? I think she could do with some cleaning. This is how to do it. First, use the sponge to cover her with suds. Use the water to wash away the suds. Finish off by giving her a good brush. Super! She's all soapy. Now, how about some water? Amazing. And now that you've washed her, she needs to be brushed. Wow, that elephant looks $1,000,000. Somebody around here is hungry for breakfast. Now, elephants eat a lot, but what do they eat? Have a guess. It's one of these four foods. Woohoo! Hay is Ella's favorite food. Look, Ella's so happy she's blowing her own trumpet. You did a great job of taking care of her. You've earned some new stickers for all your work. What would you like to do now? Play games? Videos? Go to your sticker album? Or maybe help George with more animals? Hey, nice picture, George. Now back to the movie. Wow, elephants are so big. They're the biggest animals on land. Are they heavy? You bet. A big elephant weighs the same as 4 cars. Elephants are really smart, too. They can remember all their friends' faces. Say, do your friends look like these guys? Elephants live in big families. This family is coming from the river, looking for something to eat. They love grass and leaves. In fact, elephants love to munch all day long. An elephant's super long nose is called a trunk. It can pick up grass like a hand. It can even suck up water like a big straw. Elephants talk by making tummy rumbles. But an angry elephant waves its trunk up and down. Now, baby elephants are called calves. They suck their trunks like some children suck their thumbs. When it gets hot, elephants stay near water. They also flap